Hi class, I just wanted to take a moment to highlight some important information for Module 3. This week, in addition to reading all of the lesson content, you will have one discussion and two assignments, the written assignment and the exploration assignment. Additionally, please write your journal entry for this week. As a reminder, you will not submit the journal this week, but you do need to complete your entry this week as part of the accumulative assignment you will submit in Module 5. Also, there is no live session this week. I have begun to grade last week's assignments. Please review the feedback on your graded assignments. I provided specific feedback within the rubric, so please click on the rubric to view full feedback. My feedback is intended to help you improve. This is especially important on the exploration assignment as you will do this assignment every week for the remainder of the course. In the announcements below this video, I posted a link to a video that provides instructions on how to view feedback on assignments. Also, please remember that all assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on the due date. 10% will be deducted from your grade for each day an assignment is late. As always, please reach out to me with any questions. I look forward to another great week with y'all.